What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today, well, as you can see, well, the F1 is no longer here. We actually, last night, me and John actually, I was at work and I told him, yo, you can do me the favor to drop off the car, and I want to go pick him up. So we did that last night. I have the wheels on the car and the kit, well, half the kit, just the rear part of the kit, and the two rear wheels. So I don't think I've shown you guys the wheels. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all the wheels in this video, but I'm really not gonna go into detail of what's going on. I'm just gonna be like a little cinematic or a little shots of what's going on, or a time lapse. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, I'm gonna head over to Cool Rooks in a bit, show y'all the little progress or what they're gonna do or whatever. But we finally fixed the camera. Mic's working now, so that's good. I guess that's why we haven't really done videos, because we've been had a broken camera for a while. But oh, the mic just fell off. Okay, I guess the mic was not tightened on. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna go probably head over there in a bit. So I'll catch you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so we're here at Cool Works with Ryan over here. He's the one that was working on the FRS, and he's gonna go ahead and explain what he did and the process and what's left to do. But we're gonna go ahead and hand it off to Ryan.
What's up, guys? So yeah, right here we got this Toyota 86, and we started the process of cutting up all this nice new body metal, which is always fun. So we start by marking it, and then we'll cut to where we think we want the wide body to sit, and you want to make sure you have as much clearance as possible, especially if it's going to be on the ground. So we normally cut this outside piece of metal, like what you see here. We cut that, and then we take the metal that's underneath. There's a second sheet underneath, and we pound that out to try to get it to match this line right here, and then we just spot weld it and then paint over it again, just to make sure it doesn't rust or anything like that. And then we like to sand as much as we can to get this as close as possible, and just clean it up as well as we can.
Alright, what is up? Mic quality is probably not the best, but it's because I don't have the mic with me, and the mic is dead, and I don't have a battery to replace it, so I'm just doing it with the camera mic, so it's probably not the best quality, but I got a little sore. But we got that for us back home. Then I filmed picking it up, what I should have, but I'm gonna just show you guys how it looks. So, and then we're gonna just close out the video. So this is how it looks now. Look at the other side. So this is what we got. That's what it looks like. It's all cut up, seam sealed, primed and everything. So all I gotta do is put the fender liner back on, chop it up to fit, and then that's be it. But that's probably gonna end this video. I don't think there was much in this video, just showing y'all dropping off the car and then all that stuff. But yeah, next part we're gonna be drilling the holes once I get some time, and then we're gonna cut the front. So stay tuned for that, guys. coming out real soon. Just gotta get some time so I can actually start drilling the holes and putting it on the body. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po.